Welcome to our lesson about Cubase audio terminology. Every music production software has its own way of referring to the parts of your work, and in this lesson we'll recap how this works in Cubase. There's a number of different things to keep track of. They're called clips, events, parts, regions, and slices. Recorded audio that you see in the project window is called an audio event. That's the graphical representation of the actual audio file, which is called the audio clip. The clip itself is stored in the audio folder for the project usually, and we can see it from the pool. Let's close the pool. When you make edits, you generally change the event, but you don't modify the original clip usually. When you put a clip on a track, that's when it becomes an event. Audio clips and events can contain what's called regions, and that's what you create, for example, when you do stack recording. You can also specify regions. They're portions of the clips or the events. One thing regions can be used for is to reorder playback sequence without rearranging the audio event itself. You just specify which region is to play in which order. Audio slices. Audio slices are created inside the sample editor window. You can cut an event into parts inside the sample editor, for example, like a drum loop into its individual beats. Each piece is called a slice. Now, regions appear in the pool. The pool is Cubase's filing cabinet for all the files that we've used in our current project, and we've seen it a few times so far in this course. We'll be talking more about it later. However, slices don't appear in the pool. Now let's say you slice an audio track and then put it onto a track. Cubase creates an audio part to hold that slice. Audio parts are containers for multiple audio events, regions, or slices. So in summary, the clip is what you recorded. You don't change that original clip usually. The event is what you see in the project window, and you're able to modify this. Cubase generates new files based on the editing that you do to the event. Regions are portion of events that you specify, and they appear in the pool. Regions are often used for playback sequencing, and regions are generated when you do something like stacked recording, for example. Slices are what you create if you, let's say, cut an event into parts. No unique audio file is created for slices. And finally, the part is a container that can hold events, regions, or slices. And this concludes our overview about the Cubase terminology that you'll hear me using frequently in this course.